Today we have something very special with us in the form of a GT3 RS, one of my favourite cars, and we're going to be giving it a proper race car noise to go with its race car looks with this Akrapovic exhaust system. Let's get this one on the car and make it sound loud. We're at the midpoint now before this silencer comes off, and I thought it's a good opportunity to show you the parts on the bench and talk a little bit about the setup here. So condensing this down so you guys don't get too bored midway through, we've got the titanium rear silencer, rear tips, and also some extra little linkage pipes here. We've got these adapters which effectively go on this section to the headers. These are stainless steel. In terms of what this gives, other than the obvious sound improvement, we're looking around 15 horsepower more, nearly 40, that's 40 Newton meters more torque, which is massive considering it's a naturally aspirated engine, and it saves a few kilos of weight as well. This is, although a fairly chunky bit, there's still a reasonable amount going on here. So weight savings are good enough to certainly feel a little bit of difference on circuit, but it's the power that's obviously the headline figure here, with the obvious sound improvements. So we're going to get this installed. The rest of the hard work is done. It's about just whipping this thing off and getting the new one on. We'll do the sound clips once we've installed this particular system. There's going to be a couple of differences. One is the car itself that we've got here today, doing the post-installed revs just statically, but we will also loop in a little bit of driving footage of another GT3 that we did recently, early in the year. Just out of respect for this particular customer, he said he's more than happy to do the revs, but before we did drive on the road, which absolutely fine, more than happy to do that. So let's get this on the car now, and we'll give some rev videos shortly. See you soon. That pretty much wraps things up with the Akrapovic exhaust installation on this GT3 RS, and as you guys would have heard on the video, it sounds absolutely incredible. The idea of this system, which is what I like about it, is it's designed still to be an everyday system. It doesn't give loads of drone or bassiness that you just would annoy you effectively on the long run. These are still cars to be driven on the road as well as on circuit. So obviously a lot of performance benefits as well as obviously the sound. But as per normal Akrapovic products, they fit beautifully first time, they sound fantastic, and also they look very special as well. So this wraps this car up in what is our new additional unit here. So this is our new performance center here at Carbonwurks, which is very cool. So this is one of the first cars we've had in here. And of course we have to do what is one of the, I would say, flagship cars of all time, the GT3 RS, which is a personal favorite of mine. And actually this means quite a lot to me to actually have one of these here in Carbonwurks. It's been a long time coming. So appreciate Niall, the owner, for obviously entrusting us here at Carbonwurks with his absolutely amazing yellow beast. I think we're all a bit wowed with the color as well. So that pretty much wraps things up. The only final point is, although it looks quite nice at the moment, we do actually have an Akrapovic wall being made to go on the left-hand side there, which is going to have some nice exhaust systems to finish this performance unit off nicely. So that wraps it up. This car is going to be loaded on the trailer. As said, it's obviously sounds fantastic from the videos. We have dubbed in some of the previous GT3 systems we've done on these, same exhaust, same engine, just to give you an idea, because out of respect, we've not driven the car, we've only done the revs. So that wraps all up. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any inquiries for these cars, we'd love to hear from you, and let us know your thoughts as well. Be keen to hear them. But thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.